everybody. This is my first unboxing I've ever done for YouTube, and it's going to be a LaCie opening up of a LaCie Grand 1 terabyte USB 2.0 external hard drive. I purchased it to use on Time Machine, so we'll see how that goes. I'll just open this up. If I can get the view better for everybody. Okay. I picked this up for $120 plus tax in Canada. So that's the price I paid. Here's the manual. Power adapter looks like it's interchangeable for the different plug sizes, which is kind of nice. I've never had a product that has different sizes. And mini USB to USB connection. Okay. Good packaging here. And there it is. Pretty sleek looking. Matches my iMac. It's pretty nice. Nice aluminum finish. Power, AC, and then the USB mini, and a push button on and off power. Great. So so far looks good. I'll post another video to show how it runs in my review of it. Great. Take care. Bye.